The Sunrise Vanguard 4000, or what we typically call them, is a Sunrise V-Class 4000 window. It's the highest Google rated energy efficient window on the market when it comes to vinyl replacement windows. Sunrise really cornered the market and changed the market when it came to vinyl replacement windows. They built a window that was polyfoam filled, insulated on the frames. They structurally reinforced the window to prevent sag. They put cardinal glass in their windows. They made the sashes very narrow so that they mimicked your traditional wood or metal clad aluminum windows. And where they really shine in the rest of the market is with their air infiltration rating. They are some of the tightest windows on the market. They have a non-prorated lifetime warranty that includes the glass breakage, which again, they were one of the first vinyl replacement windows to get this kind of warranty with their window. There are very little cons when it comes to the Sunrise V-Class window. They're reasonably priced. They're going to be a little more expensive than the most economical window, but the air infiltration rating alone will cut your heating and cooling bills quite considerably, especially if you have a energy efficient furnace in your house. They draw and pull a lot of air inside your home. This particular window, or any of the V-Class or the Vanguard 4000 window, is not going to allow wind or air from the outside of the home to draw in through the window.